So you don't want to get your sticky fingers all over your minis while you're painting. But you also don't want a big plastic handle. And maybe you're batch painting, so you want to handle multiple minis at a time. Well, despite sounding like some sort of perverted sex act, pinning might just be for you. Now, you could buy a big plastic handle, and that works for lots of people. Games Workshop make one, Redgrass make one, Warren Bristle just finished a Kickstarter campaign recently for a new one too. But painting handles are not for everyone. Cue pinning. To pin your models, you'll need three things: a drill, some paper clips, and some cork bungs. The drill can be small hand drill, and you'll want to make sure it has a very small drill bit. I ordered these ones online, and they're the same size as the paper clips I use. They've got to be about 1.5 or 2 millimeters, something like that. What I use now though is this pen drill, which comes with a variety of bits for drilling. There are probably a few available, but this one is called a Wow Stick, and I've linked it in the description for you. I have some basic paper clips, and in order to get small straight parts, I clip the corners off. Just make sure they're not coated with plastic or anything like that, just standard paper clips will do the trick. The cork I ordered online too. I bought a pack of different sized cork bungs from Amazon, but have subsequently also found some via Temu. I have to say though, the Amazon order was slightly better quality, and I've also linked that in the description below. Then it's a case of picking a spot in the mini that will end up being obscured, such as under the foot or a joint somewhere, and drilling. Slide the paper clip in, and if you need you can secure it with a little bit of super glue, then press that into the cork. When it comes to removing the pins, I'll use tweezers, and I suggest gloves for handling the minis, since by this point they're going to be nicely painted. I slide the pin up the tweezers, and then I use that resulting leverage to pull the pin out. If it's really stuck in there, I'll bend it slightly and use that leverage to pull it out. It may need a little tidy up after this to remove any burrs or excess super glue, but after that, you're good to go. If you found this useful, then it is free to click like and subscribe. All that does is it makes my videos more visible to you on the platform, or they'll appear in your subscription channel. It also helps me build up my audience, and it really helps me get these videos a little bit further out on the platform. If you've got any questions about pinning or anything else for that matter, then feel free to ask them in the comments or reach out to me via alexpaints.co.uk, and I'll try my best to answer them for you.